Do you find flossing technique sensitive, complicated, or difficult to execute? Honestly, I did too, and now I simply use this water flosser. Firstly, it's available online easily in different price ranges. Don't fall prey to the gimmicks. Most of them are pretty functional. Okay, it's basically a device which is supposed to deliver water at a high pressure to remove plaque from between your teeth and also kal raat ka khana. All you have to do is fill this water tank, attach this flossing tip, and you're good to go. Okay, so how do you do it? You place the tip, angle it towards your gums, and follow the curve of your gum line. Okay, so this is what you do, right? The flosser generally comes with multiple modes or pressure settings. So you can adjust, like start with a lower pressure and then you can adjust the pressure as you go along. Once you place the flosser in your mouth, close your mouth and then press the start button to prevent, water from splashing all over and, leading to confusion. Stand over the sink when you're doing it so it's easy for the water to, drip out. Do this at least once a day. The water flosser is a miracle for patients who have crowded teeth, implants, crowns, or just general gaps between their teeth. It's a boon for everyone too. So please go ahead and use it, and I'll see you in the next video.